When I was 11 years old, girls' schools were banned. It became my dream to be able to pursue my own education. I feel very lucky that I got the opportunity to eventually go to Oxford University and complete my degree there. But I did not want my own story to be unique and the only one. I know that girls in Pakistan have the potential to pursue a career in education. So for that reason, when I graduated from Oxford, I became part of the Oxford Pakistan program. This offers full scholarship to students to do their master's or higher education degrees. I'm so thrilled to share that the Malala Yousafzai scholarship offers full scholarships for women in Pakistan who wants to pursue higher education. I want every girl in Pakistan to be able to pursue her dream, to complete her education, choose her own future, and help the country progress. Applications are now open, and I can't wait to see you and welcome you to Oxford University.